Hello everybody, this video is about the Sandersons Sundial in the Qutb Complex in Delhi. Gordon Sanderson was an officer with the Archaeological Survey of India. He is best known for his work in preserving and documenting the historical monuments of India. At the peak of his career with the ASI, Sanderson decided to fight for Britain when the First World War broke out. On 13th October 1915, aged 28, Lieutenant Gordon Sanderson was killed in action in France and he was buried in northern France. In recognition of his work with the Archaeological Survey of India, a monument was erected at the Qutb Complex in New Delhi in 1919. The monument, a white marble sundial, was installed by his colleagues from ASI. Sanderson had carried out extensive excavations in the area around Qutub Minar starting in 1910 AD. He is credited with making the Qutub Minar complex what it is today. And the sundial is minimally inscribed with a simple Latin inscription that reads Transit umbra lux permanet, which means the shadow passes, the light remains.